Why do you need a facial oil? What is the benefit of using a facial oil? The oils that we're familiar with, some of them have been around for a long time. Jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, avocado oil, sea buckthorn oil, argan oil, moringa oil, which is what we use in our products. The greatest benefit of a facial oil is that you can instantly see and feel the difference that it makes. Facial oils are amazing in giving your skin that radiance, that what I like to call bounce, where skin looks plump and hydrated and healthy. Not shiny, but hydrated. There's a big difference. I created this facial oil because at the time I couldn't find any oil that didn't have a shimmer or a texture to it. What I wanted was more bounce to the skin. So there's 3 essential things that facial oils do for your skin. Number 1, these oils that we use have tremendous natural antioxidant properties to them. Antioxidants are crucial in keeping your skin healthy. So when your cells get damaged, they become free radicals. Free radical damage is what causes your skin to age faster or to be unhealthy. So all of these oils have some sort of antioxidant property to them. They're also anti-inflammatories, which soothe and calm the skin. The second thing that a facial oil does is that it restores the essential fatty acids and amino acids back into your skin. Your skin is like a matrix, and one of the key components of that are lipids. Lipids are the fat cells which make your skin look plump and healthy. Over time, whether it's natural aging or lifestyle, you start to lose those lipids and skin becomes thinner. And when skin becomes thinner, you can start to see the damage to the skin, the fine lines and the wrinkles. And so essential fatty acids are key components of keeping those lipids healthy, replacing them, restoring them, keeping them plump and healthy looking. The most important thing that a facial oil does is it protects your skin's natural barrier. Essentially, your skin's natural barrier is designed to keep the good stuff in, hydration, moisture, nutrients, and then to keep the bad stuff out, environmental pollutants, bacteria, all the things that can disrupt your skin. The facial oil helps to strengthen your skin's natural barrier, which is so important. I don't think we talk enough about our skin's natural barrier. We use Moringa and French plum. All of these oils have superior antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and Moringa is also known for its antibacterial qualities as well. So these oils are what feel amazing on your skin. They work to restore the barrier, and they're also responsible for helping with deep moisturization. So when those lipids are replenished, it helps to keep that moisture in the skin. These oils also work to keep your skin uber healthy because of their antioxidant properties. So we've added a few key ingredients to the Restoring Facial Balm to make it even more of a multitasking product. The first ingredient is squalene. Squalene is found naturally in the skin. It's a natural component of cells and lipids in your skin. Ours is derived from an organic sugar, and the benefit is it has intense moisturizing properties to it. The next ingredient we have in our Restoring Facial Balm is bakuchiol. Bakuchiol is very similar to retinol. It does exactly the same thing. The difference is that bakuchiol is derived from a plant and is less likely to make your skin sensitive. So just like retinol, which increases the turnover of your skin, it kind of speeds up your skin's metabolism, it increases cell turnover, and over time your skin has a better texture, it has a better tone, it helps with hyperpigmentation and dark spots. So it has the same benefits as retinol, it just uses a different pathway to achieve that same result. So another one of the ingredients in the Restoring Facial Balm that is really cool is called sea lavender. And sea lavender is derived from a marine plant that's found in a region of France, and it has incredible anti-inflammatory and calming properties. So skin that is overworked, stressed out, really dry, sensitive, where you have the redness after you wash it or you can feel it during the day, the sea lavender and the Restoring Facial Balm works to instantly calm that, soothe it, and the anti-inflammatory properties, it makes it feel amazing. So that's also infused into the facial oil. And the sea lavender is why this is called Restoring Facial Balm instead of Restoring Facial Oil. It is a facial oil, but the balm refers to the fact that while it has the antioxidants and the skin nutrients and the fatty acids and the amino acids, the greatest thing about it is the calming effect that it has on the skin. So if you wear it at night, you'll notice when you wake up in the morning, your skin is not as dry. If your skin is sensitive and moisturizer doesn't seem to be working, the facial oil, just with its properties and the actual physical facial oil, will instantly make your skin feel better.